Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Grade 5, my dear students. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay. How are you doing?
Fine.
Okay. Today, week number 13, according to our plan, we're going to start with the last chapter about geometry, chapter number 12. Okay, lesson number 1 is polygon. What? Polygon. Lesson number 1 is polygons. Okay. We studied this before in grade 4 and grade 3. We studied two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. We studied shapes, right? The polygon shape, okay? But what difference? Any shape I can name it by polygon? No. A polygon is closed figure made up, okay? Is a closed figure of line segments, okay, that don't cross each other. There is a rule to name the shape by a polygon, okay? Closed shape or a closed figure, number 1. Number 2, has line segments or straights, line segments. There is no curve, okay? Don't cross each other. Okay, as we see here, this is polygons. Okay, square, this triangle, has number of sides called polygon. This is polygon. Okay, here it's not polygon. It's closed shape only because it has a curve. Okay, here it's open, not polygon. This is already closed, but it has a curve. It's not polygon. And this is also not polygon because the sides cross each other, as you see. Sides cross each. So polygon is a closed figure made of line segments doesn't cross each other. Okay, please. Okay. Someone, but please, all of you, write your real name. Someone write his name M-H. What's this? Yes. Okay, Fahad Al-Ajmi. Thank you, Fahad. Okay. Someone asked me to unmute.
Yeah, it's me.
Who's this? Who's this? MHMD. Who's this? What's your name?
Yeah, Ahmed.
Ahmed?
Yes.
Ahmed Abdullah?
No, Muhammad Rashid.
Oh, Muhammad Rashid, sorry. Muhammad, please write your name, okay? Muhammad Rashid. Okay. Okay, guys, I will start with this short video about polygons, okay? Just watch it and be careful and pay attention with this video.
Learn about polygons. You probably already know a lot about polygons because you see them all the time. Here are some common examples that you might recognize. These shapes are all polygons. That's because a polygon just means a multi-sided shape. And these shapes all have multiple sides. Okay, so that's a basic definition of a polygon. But to really understand what is a polygon and what is not a polygon, we need to learn about the specific properties that all polygons have in common. First, we need to know the three parts that make up all polygons. And these parts are sides, vertices, and angles. The sides are just the straight line segments that make up a polygon. And the vertices are the points where the sides intersect. And the angles are formed by the intersecting lines. In fact, in Greek, the word polygon literally means many angles. So all polygons have sides, vertices, and angles. This polygon here has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and it forms 5 angles. The next thing we need to know about polygons is that they're closed shapes. And what does it mean for a shape to be closed, you ask? Well, it means that the sides are connected so that there are no gaps. The area inside the shape is separated from the area outside the shape. And there's no way to get from the inside to the outside without crossing a line. It might help to think of a closed shape like a cage. If you put an ant inside the cage, then there's no way for it to get out without crossing a line. But if the shape is open, then there is a way out. So these are all examples of closed shapes. And these are all examples of open shapes. And the important thing to remember is that a polygon must be closed. And the last thing we need to know about polygons is that they're two-dimensional or flat shapes. And that means that all the vertices must lie on the same plane. If any one of the vertices were to move forwards or backwards so that it wasn't on the same plane as all the other vertices, then it wouldn't be a flat shape anymore. Flat shapes are also called planar shapes because all of their points are on the same plane. And even though polygons themselves can't be 3D shapes, we can use polygons to make 3D shapes, like a box, for example. The box is not a polygon, but each of its flat sides is a polygon. All right then, we now have a specific definition of a polygon. A polygon is a multi-sided shape that has sides, vertices, and angles. A polygon is a closed shape, and a polygon is a two-dimensional or a flat shape. And now that you know that, it's time to play Polygon or Not a Polygon. Now here's your host, me. Thank you. All right. Now the rules of the game are simple. I'm going to show you a shape, and you tell me if it's a polygon or not a polygon. Are you ready to play? Our first shape is a square. Is a square a polygon? Yes. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and it's a closed 2D shape. So it is a polygon. And next we have, not exactly sure what to call this, but is it a polygon? Nope, it's close, but because it's an open shape, it can't be a polygon. All right, what about this one? Polygon or not polygon? Yup, it is a polygon. Even though the sides aren't all the same length, it is a closed, 2D, multi-sided shape. In fact, if you count, you'll see that it has 7 sides. What about this one? Is a circle a polygon? Well, it is a closed 2D shape, but how many sides does it have? Now that's the problem. A circle doesn't have any straight sides, vertices, or angles. It's a curved shape, so it's not a polygon. Oops. Next, we have a star shape, just like me. Is it a polygon? Yup. It has straight sides and vertices, and it's a closed 2D shape. That means it's a polygon. And what about this one? Right you are. This is not a polygon. It's a dog. Here's an interesting one. It's a closed 2D shape that does have straight sides and vertices, but it also has this curved part here. Can it still be a polygon with that curve there? No! The curved part disqualifies it as a polygon.
As you see this, I hope that one will be useful for you. Okay, you understand something from this video? Okay, polygons. Okay, as we learned from this video, closed shape. Okay, with multi of sides. Okay, and no other. Okay, and there is no any curve. Okay, some of polygons called regular and not regular. Some of the polygons called regular and not regular. What regular? Regular means a regular polygon is a polygon with congruent sides and congruent angles. What means congruent? Sides and congruent angles means congruent. Sides means are equal in the length, and the congruent angles means have the same degree measure or the same size. Okay, As you see here, this shape, the red one called irregular, as you see in this picture. The red one called irregular, okay, because all sides have the same length and all angles with the same measure is not regular, because this equals and measure the angle not equal, so this is not regular, okay. So next one here in the example with this, as you see, determine if the polygon appear to be regular or not regular, okay. As you see here, this is called what, not regular, because here some of the sides longer than the other, okay, and all sides of the polygon not congruent, not congruent. So it's not regular, not regular. Okay, okay. The next page, page number, yes, 904. This table, as you see here, polygon, regular, not or not regular, number of sides, number of sides. Okay, draw another polygon that is not regular. Okay, here first shape of the first polygon. Okay, okay, Khalid. As we see here, this polygon, right? This is irregular and this is not regular. How I know this is regular? How I know this is not regular? Irregular means all sides are congruent. Congruent means all the sides have the same length. Okay, only the sides? No, also angles. All angles congruent means have the same measure. All angles are equal and all sides are equal. So this polygon named by triangle is called regular. And this, the sides not the same length, so it's not regular. Okay, number of sides as we know is 3 sides. I can draw another one not regular. This is regular triangle. Here, any polygon or any shape with 4 sides, any polygon or any shape with 4 sides, I can name it by quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, there are many shapes with quadrilateral called like square, rectangle, trapezoid, parallelogram. There are many called what? Quadrilateral. Any polygon with 4 sides called what? Quadrilateral. As you see here, this is square is a regular quadrilateral. Here, parallelogram. Okay, this is a quadrilateral but not regular. Also rectangle. Okay, also rhombus. Okay, here a number of sides as we see is 4 sides. I can give another example for not regular. I can draw another one, same like trapezoid. Okay, another shape or another polygons I have with a number of sides here with 5 sides called what? Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Okay, if all sides and all angles are congruent, means the same length of the sides and the same measure of the angles, they are called regular. It's called what? Regular. And this one pentagon, but not regular. Okay, here I have this polygon with 6 sides. As you see, it's called hexagon. Hexagon, okay, has 6 sides and 6 angles. If all sides and angles are congruent, it will be what? It will be regular. If all sides and angles not congruent, it will be not regular, as you see this polygon. Okay, if a polygon has 8 sides like this, called octagon. Octagon has 8 sides and 8 angles. If all sides and angles are congruent, it will be regular. If not congruent, it will be not regular, as you see. Okay? Okay. And the next page, before we going for the next page, anyone has a question about this?
Me.
Okay, what's your question?
The first one is called diamond, and this third is
What again?
the second one is the diamond.
Which one? Hey, this page?
Yeah. The second.
Number 3, this one?
Two, sorry.
2, what this?
It's diamond.
Yeah, okay. I'm asking about what the name of this. You have any question about what we did now? What we covered now for the lesson?
It's regular.
Okay. Okay, guys, here I have this polygons. Okay, name each polygon. Determine if it appears to be regular or not regular. Okay, here, let's start with number 2. Okay, here, how many sides? How many sides for this figure? How many sides? 4. 4 sides called what? Don't say square, don't say rectangle, don't say parallelogram, don't say, because there is a general name for all of the polygon with 4 sides. Are called what? Quadrilateral. Let me take the question with Fahad. Yes, Fahad. Have a question?
Yeah,
What?
teacher.
Yes.
In example 3, why you answer the page like that?
Why what? Again, your question, Fahad?
Yeah, teacher. But question in example 3.
This one in this page?
No, page 904.
94.
Yeah.
Okay.
The answer, why you do the answer?
Yeah, I put the answer already. If you want to write it in your book, okay.
No. But why we write the answer like this?
Why the answer like this? I explain it. For example, here, this triangle, right? Okay, if I had this polygon, okay, regular, yes, regular, because the sides and the angles are the same. Okay, here is not regular. Number of sides is 3. You can draw another example for the polygon not regular. I can draw another one. All the same. Okay.
Okay.
And how to draw another one not regular. Okay. Okay. Guys, here in this 105, the first one, number 2, this is called what? With 4 sides, it's called what? The regular or not regular? Here, the 4 sides, what the polygon with, it has 4 sides, called what?
4 sides.
Yeah, with the 4 sides, the polygon which has 4 sides, it's called what? Quadrilateral. It's called what? Quadrilateral. Yeah, this is regular or not regular? The sides are the same length? Same length, right? It's called quadrilateral. I will write it here for you. Here, as we see. Okay, I will write here. This quadrilateral. This is regular, yes, regular. I name it and then I determine if it is regular or not regular. Okay. Number 3, someone maybe answer it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Khalid, have right answer. Saud has a question. Okay, you can raise your hand, Saud. Okay, where is Saud? Okay, yes, Saud. What's your
Yeah,
question?
teacher.
Yes.
What do we call the shapes that's not polygon?
Not regular?
Yeah.
No, polygon. No. Polygon means closed shape with the sides, has the sides. Okay,
Yeah.
there are not open, not called polygon. If there is a curve, not called polygon. Closed shape with the straight sides. Okay, it's called polygon.
Okay.
Some polygon called regular and some called not regular. Regular means has a congruent sides and congruent angles. What means congruent? Congruent means the sides are same length. Okay,
Yeah.
same measure. As you see this one, all the sides are the same length and angles.
And equal.
Yes, it's called regular. Okay, a polygon with four sides. Let's say square rectangle. The general name for the four sides polygons is called quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, for any
Okay.
you can call this one for any polygon with four sides, whatever trapezoid, square, rectangle. Okay, it's called quadrilateral. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Number 3. Who can tell me this is a polygon or not?
No, teacher.
Yes, polygon. Okay. Okay. Can you count the sides to know what its name?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. The polygon with 6 sides called what? Polygon have
Polygon has 6 sides.
sides. Come back to the page 800. Sorry, 904. We have this in the tape.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Yes, Fauzan. This is hexagon. Okay. So this is hexagon, regular or not regular? This hexagon, regular or not regular? Huh? Who can answer? This is regular or not regular? I have 6 sides. Any polygon with 6 sides called hexagon. So I will write here hexagon. Okay. Okay. But this is regular or not regular? What means regular? Is the sides the same length? The sides congruent?
1, 2.
No, already hexagon. 6 sides. 1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
6.
4, 5, 6. If all sides have the same length, they are equal in length. The
No.
sides not equal, right? Not congruent. So
Yeah.
this is not regular. I will write not regular. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Number 4. Who can answer number 4?
Me.
Number 4.
Teacher, me.
Okay, wait, please. So someone right.
Oh.
Okay. So then, okay, I need another one. Toad?
Yeah. My mic just.
Okay. The number 4, so
Yeah.
this polygon or not polygon?
It's a polygon and it's quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral, yes. Regular
And
or
it's
not regular?
regular.
Yes, excellent. This is quadrilateral regular. Okay, thank you, Saud. As you see here, okay, quadrilateral and what? And regular. Thank you, Saud. Okay. Who can answer number 5? Number 5, count. Okay, Fauzan.
Me, teacher.
Fauzan.
Yes. Can I answer?
Okay, Mishari. This is Mishari, right?
Yes.
Yes, Mishari. Answer number 5, please.
It's octagon and it's regular.
Yes.
Is that
Yes, as you see here, this is octagon and this is called regular. Thank you, Sherry. Thanks. Okay, guys. As you see here, any polygon with the same sides called congruent sides and congruent angles called regular. Okay. Here I have 4 sides quadrilateral. Here 8 sides called octagon. Okay. Next.
Octagon.
Someone raise his hand. Is this or have a question? Okay. Okay, Fawzan. Okay. Fawzan, ask me. I am. Oh, okay. Abdullah. No.
Mister,
Yes, Fawzan. Yes, Fawzan.
answer number 6.
You want to answer? Number what?
Yeah. Answer.
Number 6. Yes. Draw each polygon. Triangle, not regular. Okay. Here, I want to draw it. Sorry,
I
draw.
do teach all of it.
Really? Good. Okay. Can do it together. Draw triangle, which is what? Not regular. Not regular means what? The sides, not the same length. Triangle has how many sides?
6.
No, triangle.
Triangle.
Triangle. How many sides? Triangle has how many sides? Triangle.
3.
3, yes. Not regular means the sides not the same length. Pentagon. How many sides? The pentagon has how many sides? Pentagon has 5 sides. Okay. Quadrilateral means how many sides? 4 sides.
4.
Here, triangle also has 3. Okay. Good answer. As you see, you can draw another shapes. Not only this shape you can draw. Triangle only like this. Regular has a size and same measure of angles. Regular. Here, all of this not regular. Okay. Okay. Is it clear this one?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. Now we are going for page number 906. 906, please. Third problem. Okay. Number 10. What polygon make up the design? What polygons make up the design? As here, these polygons connect together to show us this design. What polygons? This one. Written A. What this polygon called what?
It's this polygon is regular.
Okay, good. What the name? Can you what its name?
Hexagon.
What again?
No.
Count.
The last one.
Yeah. The last one, octagon. Octagon. Okay. You can count the number of sides like this. 1,
It's 8.
2, yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides called octagon. Okay. In 11, describe polygon P. The polygon P, regular or not regular? The polygon P, is it regular or not regular? This polygon P would be a regular or not? Anyone answer? This, the polygon P, is it regular or not regular? Guys,
I think that they are muted.
I am mute all, as you see. Please, I am mute all.
Mister, I am not muted.
What?
I am not muted.
What's this? Again? Guys,
What?
can answer number 11.
11.
Yeah. Describe
Right.
regular or not regular. So the polygon P, as you see here, this is design. The P
Yeah.
polygon is regular or not regular?
Not regular
Why?
because it's a bit pale.
The size is the same, as you see here, Fauzan. And the angle is the same. Regular. This is regular. Okay. So the answer of 10 and 11, as you see here, the answer of 10 and 11, as you see, this is octagon and squares, okay, quadrilaterals, form of this design, okay, this is called the regular. Polygon P is regular, okay? Okay. Did you write this in your book?
Yeah.
Okay, have you done? Okay, okay guys, already we finished our lesson. I hope you understand everything, and this, I think, it's very easy lesson, okay?
Yeah.
Your homework is SPS online homework. SPS online homework. Anyone has a problem with the online homework, the SPS website, please contact me. I will send you by PDF the homework. Okay. Okay. This is also, you found it in the homework. This is big. Name each polygon, determine if it's appear to be polygon or not, regular or not regular. Okay. This is write the name.
This is the homework.
Common in the SPS homework. As you see here, this is what hexagon.
Teacher, can you give me 1 minute? Teacher, can
Yeah.
you go down so I see the down?
Okay.
Teacher,
Definition.
what's mean congruent?
Congruent means equal. Congruent
Equals.
Sine means equal in length. Congruent angles means equal in measure. Anything congruent means equal, the same. Okay.
Okay.
Common in the SPS homework is 1 to 4. Okay. Study hard and see you soon, inshallah. Any question?
No.
No.
Okay. Have a nice day and goodbye.